Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters to my channel, Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. I have decided to make a summary also as the previous topic. I will continue with same concept. Okay, same way. So in this topic we have learned a lot of things. First thing, it is purpose of streams concept. What is the purpose of stream concept? Concept, if you remember, remember, is to process element present inside the collection. Okay, we have collection, so to make operation inside this collection, to make something inside them, we use the stream concept. Okay, is the first thing. Second thing, how to create the stream. How to create the stream. Like this, we have stream S equal collection, any collection, if you want list or anything, dot method stream. Okay, that is the second thing. What we have seen also. Third point is, remember, we must configure now the stream. Okay, there is configuration for the stream, for the make processing. How to configure it? We have two methods. The first one is filter. Filter, remember? Filter. I want just to retrieve some object from my stream based in the condition that I provide in filter method using predicate. Okay? So it's like this filter. It contains argument, predicate, and return Boolean value. So I will just retrieve some values, some object from my stream. And the second method is map. We have seen also map. Map, it makes some operation in each object of your stream. Each object of your stream or element of your stream, and it return list of object in the stream, of course. Now in the stream we have it returns a value as group of objects. So map is like this. Map, it contains argument function. Okay, function with t as input argument and as a return value f. Okay, now this is two methods to configure the stream. After this, we have seen a lot of methods, a lot of how to process in the stream. What is the first method? Is collect. Collect. Yeah, if we make some operation as filter or anything else, we need to now to retrieve all this object from the stream or related in the stream. How to get them? How to retrieve them? We use collect method. What we have seen also, count, method count. The count method returns the number of elements that are inside the stream. Okay? What you have seen also, I've seen sorted. Sorted, it sorts the element inside the stream using default natural sorting order or using our custom sorting order, but here we use comparator to implement the sort, custom sorting. Okay? So the sorted is without argument if you want to use default sorting order, or is with argument comparator if we use our custom sorting order. What you have seen also, the method min and max. Min return the minimum value that exists in the stream based in the custom sorting order. Okay, we provide here the custom sorting order, and the same thing for max. It will provide the maximum value inside the stream by providing him the custom sorting order. what we have seen also, if you remember, yes, of course, we have seen also for each method. For each, it just make operation, process operation for each element of your stream. For each element of your stream, it makes operation. Okay? And also we have seen two-array method. Two-array method, it copy all the elements that are in the stream in specified array. Okay? And finally, what we have also see new method that is off stream.off. This one, what did it do? This one, huh? Remember? Do you remember or no? No. It is the last one. You forgot? And then, oh, what do you do with stream off? We create the stream based in the group of elements. We have two types of group of elements. It is group of value or it can be array. Okay, if we have group of value, use stream off, not off, to create stream. After this, we use any method of the stream, or we use stream off with array. After this, we can use any method of our stream. That is all the topic that I have covered in this chapter about streams concept. You will see it's a very, very good concept that has been introduced in Java 1.8. You know, there is a lot of things. I have shown you a lot of things, but I have tried to make a short video, not to make, as I said, long video, to receive this information step by step. Okay, but just practice. It's very important to practice to be familiar, inshallah, with all this concept. And you will see that's come very easily when you start, inshallah. Okay? So, I will start new chapter. I think it is the latest in the for this course. In the next video, inshallah. Before I don't know, I will see what will be the next course. I don't know. You will tell me in the comment if it will be about development or database or internet marketing or design. I don't know. Okay, or productivity using Microsoft Office. What you want? We will see. No problem. But let's continue this course before to think about the new course. Finish it. Maybe I die before to finish. I don't know. Maybe I die. So let's finish this course, inshallah. And remember, practice, practice, practice. Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters to have followed this course until this moment. Like it, share it with your friends if you see it is benefit for you and for others. Subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.